In this session, we are going to install MikTex latest distribution on our computer. Following steps will be followed to install MikTex on Windows 10. These steps vary little bit on Linux and Mac operating system. Step 1 is visit website miktex.org. From this website, you need to download MikTex 2.9 installer file. This is a .exe file with size approximately 230 MB. Step 3 is run above installer file by double click, and at the end, after the completion of installation, step number 4 is in startup menu search for MikTex and open MikTex console. So let's go ahead and do this installation. Open browser of your computer and search for MikTex. Google search will give you the first link of miktex.org. Open this website. Go to the download section and you can see that there are different options available for the installation. One is a installer file, the other one is a portable edition file, and third one is a command line installer. We'll go ahead with the installer file. It is simple way. So this is a .exe file that you need to download, and the size here is 232.47 MB. So download this file on your computer. Once this file is available on your computer, double click on it. So this will start setup process on your computer. Accept the license agreement and go ahead. Install MikTex only for me. Go ahead with the default setting for the directory. Here also go with the default option that prepared page is A4. And if there is any package missing, then ask you to install that package. Start the installation. This process will take some time, so you can make yourself relax. You can note that the installation directory is C users, username, app data, local programs. Click on the next button. You can check for the updates, and finally this installation is complete. So close this window. Now you have to check whether the MikTex is properly installed or not. Click on the start menu and search for MikTex. You'll see that the MikTex console option is there. Click on it. So MikTex is properly installed on your machine. Thank you. See you again.